Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the teaser of Vintage by Stance Builder located in Ramesh Nagar, Amboli, Andheri West. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. I'm going to be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this very amazing project. But before moving ahead, let me tell you what are the points that we're going to be discussing in this video. So in this video, we are going to be covering project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. Now, let me also give you an introduction of what Housey actually is. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 1.1 acre with single tower, ground plus 19 floors with configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about the exact connectivity, so as you can see, I'm standing at the main road. Right here is the actual land parcel. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. This side will lead you to Andheri station. And this side will lead you to Jogeshwari. Talking about the exact connectivity, so Azad Nagar metro station is at a distance of just 5 minutes. We have Jogeshwari station at a distance of 0.8 km and SV road at a distance of 700 meters. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of 1 to 2 km. Talking about amenities, this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities which includes swimming pool, kids play area, yoga meditation zone, banquet hall and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I've got a strong recommendation for you. Housey के Rights of Home Buyers series जरूर देखें. A lot of buyers are unaware of what their basic rights are. For example, you've booked a home, given a token amount to the builder, but now you want to cancel it off. So how much money can the builder legally deduct? Secondly, let's say after possession you have any construction or leakage related issue. So what liability does the builder hold? We've made you understand all of these things in very easy to understand and simple language in this series. So before making your home next time, go through this series. ये series का link आपको ऊपर I button या नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. Now coming to the carpet area, as I mentioned, this project has two configuration, 1 and 2 BHK, with 1 BHK having carpet area of 430 square feet and 2 BHK having carpet area of 661 and 672 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and sample flat if available, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme. And then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the EOI amount. The EOI amount is going to be 2 lakh rupees. So everyone, this was the teaser of Vintage by Stance Builder located in Amboli, Andheri West. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the I button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.